In this video, we can see how to set up the XIAO ESP32C6 board and upload a simple program to the board. Let's get started. This is the official website of Seed Studio, and here you can see all the features of this board, so I am not repeating the same. This is the pin configuration of the XIAO ESP32C6 board. Now let's see how to set up the board. Now open Arduino IDE and open a simple program to blink an LED. So this is the program. Now connect the XIAO ESP32C6 board to the laptop. Now go to this drop down. Here click on this edit button. Here you can see the port is already selected. Now search for the board. Here ESP32C6 board is not available. So let's see the instructions mentioned in the official website. So as per the latest version of Arduino IDE released on April 16, 2024, this board is not available. So we need to install from this board's URL. Copy this board URL. Now open Arduino IDE, go to File and go to Preferences. Click on this icon. Now here paste the URL. Now click OK, and here also click the OK button. Now go to Tools, go to Board, and here select Boards Manager. Here search for ESP32. Here you can see the latest versions available. So select that and click on the Update button. Now the latest board is successfully installed. Now again go to this drop down, select this edit button. Here search for XIAO ESP32. Yes, here C6 version is available. Select that and click on the OK button. Now click this arrow button and upload the program to the board. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the XIAO ESP32C6 board. Now we can check the output.